Looking for the best TSA-approved carry-on luggage for your next flight? We have rounded up the top options that combine smooth mobility, tough durability, and maximum packing space. Let us help you find your perfect travel companion today.
Product number 1. SwissGear Sion Softside Expandable Luggage. When it comes to flexible packing and legendary durability, this luggage is a frequent flyer's dream. Crafted from scuff-resistant polyester fabric, this soft-side carry-on is engineered to withstand the inevitable bumps and scrapes of modern travel while maintaining a sleek, professional appearance. What truly sets the Sion apart is its exceptional organizational layout. It features an expandable main compartment that offers ample extra space for souvenirs, alongside adjustable tie-down straps to keep your garments wrinkle-free. The exterior boasts 2 easily accessible front panel pockets, perfect for stashing travel documents or a tablet. Maneuvering through crowded airport terminals is effortless thanks to the 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels and a push-button locking telescopic handle. With reinforced padded top and side handles, lifting it into the overhead bin is perfectly comfortable. It is an ideal blend of robust construction, classic style, and highly practical storage.
Product number 2. UKEIN Luggage Sets. For travelers who want exceptional value without sacrificing premium build quality, the UKEIN Luggage Sets 3-piece delivers absolute confidence on the go. This bundle provides comprehensive travel versatility, typically featuring a robust carry-on, a medium checked bag, and a large checked suitcase to cover everything from weekend getaways to extended vacations. Constructed from incredibly resilient 100% polycarbonate hard-shell material, these suitcases excel at absorbing impact while protecting your fragile belongings. Security is a top priority, and UKEIN integrates a premium flush-mounted TSA-approved combination lock alongside ultra-smooth, snag-free zippers. The interior is meticulously designed with a fully lined tear-resistant fabric, a mesh divider, and cross straps to keep your wardrobe perfectly organized. Gliding across the terminal is completely effortless with the silent, shock-absorbing 360-degree spinner wheels. This matching set guarantees you will always travel in coordinated style with maximum protection for your gear.
Product number 3. BAGSMART Carry-On Luggage. This carry-on luggage redefines modern travel aesthetics by merging incredibly smart organization with a stunning, minimalist exterior. Designed for the style-conscious traveler, this premium hard-shell carry-on immediately stands out with its beautiful matte finish and elegant color options. Beyond its gorgeous looks, BAGSMART heavily focuses on functional efficiency. It boasts a remarkably well-thought-out interior featuring secure compression straps, multiple dedicated zip pockets, and a wet-dry separation zone to keep damp items completely isolated from clean clothing. Navigating tight airplane aisles is incredibly smooth due to the precision-engineered 360-degree spinner wheels that glide silently across any surface. It includes a recessed TSA-approved lock to ensure your valuables remain completely secure while adhering to global security standards. The adjustable, multi-stage aluminum trolley handle provides an ergonomic grip for users of any height, making this the ultimate chic and dependable companion for business trips or weekend escapes.
Product number 4. Sweetcrispy Carry-On Luggage. If you are searching for outstanding reliability on a budget, this luggage is a phenomenal choice that refuses to compromise on essential features. Built with an ultra-lightweight yet remarkably tough ABS hardshell, this suitcase is specifically designed to resist scratching and deflect the everyday impacts of rough baggage handling. The integrated TSA-approved lock allows airport security to safely inspect your luggage without damaging the zippers, giving you total peace of mind. Inside, the Sweetcrispy offers a surprisingly spacious packing area equipped with a practical mesh pocket and elastic cross straps to prevent your clothes from shifting during transit. The smooth, dual-wheel spinner system dramatically reduces arm strain, allowing the case to glide effortlessly over carpeted hotel hallways and hard terminal floors. Featuring a sturdy, adjustable telescopic handle, this highly affordable carry-on provides a premium travel experience without breaking the bank.
Product number 5. Light Flight Carry-On Luggage. This is the ultimate solution for overpackers who desperately need maximum space within airline size limits. Weighing in at less than 7 pounds, this lightweight ABS hardshell suitcase practically glides through your journey. Its absolute standout feature is the clever expandable zipper system, which instantly increases your total packing capacity by up to 24%, giving you crucial extra room for last-minute purchases. The rugged exterior is engineered for outstanding impact resistance, ensuring it maintains a pristine look trip after trip. Transporting the light flight is a breeze thanks to the premium 360-degree spinner wheels and a rock-solid 3-stage telescopic aluminum handle that eliminates annoying wobble. The fully lined interior features dual compartments with heavy-duty compression straps and organizational dividers. Secured by a built-in combination lock, this sleek case guarantees your essentials stay protected, organized, and perfectly accessible anywhere.
All 5 of these options guarantee a smoother journey. If you are on a strict budget, Sweetcrispy offers unbeatable value, while the UKEIN 3-piece set provides complete versatility. For maximum packing, grab the Light Flight, or choose SwissGear and BAGSMART for premium organization and unmatched durability.